Hello folks, welcome to BISPsolutions.com. My name is Amit and today we are going to see how to write 13 months date expression in Microsoft SSAS Cube design. It's a part of your advanced data modeling concept. Before I take you further, I'd like to explain the business requirement over here. I have a dimension called dim promotion. The dim promotion maintained data for many years. However, my business like to do analysis only for data between current month and 13 months before. Basically, the definition is called active promotion. Active promotions are those promotions which start in between last 13 months till today. They are called as active promotion. All promotions which beyond this given 13 months are considered as an inactive promotion, right? So in simple word, I like to find out the list of records which fall in between first day of this current month. First day of the current month is my current month is September, 1st September 2014, and I like to go 13 months before. So it's my 1st August 2013. I wanted to start, so my month closing period start from month closing is 30th or 31st of last month, right? So the opening period of the month is first day of the business day, first business day or first day of the month. So this is considered to be 13 months in this example. I wanted all the records which fall in between. My start date should be in between this to this. Promotion start date. This is what exactly I want. Let's see how to write this expression. I'll be using this expression in my data source view, as we discussed them many times in the previous session. All data complexity should be handled in a data source view, including computed column and filtering as well. I right click and create a new named query, which is exactly like a view over here, and I named it as active promotion. And active promotion, first I pull data from my promotion dimension as it is promotion, and then I add a computed column. I got the active promotion all records, and I'm looking for my promotion start date. The promotion is active only if my start date and end date between this start date. Start date is today and end date 13 months before, or the other way around. Start date is 13 months before and end date first day of this month. Okay, let's do it. I'll be using date diff function. Right click and add one function, edit query, named query, and I add a function over here with an alias. So I call this date diff. Date diff takes a 3 argument. I've already written an expression over here for date. We're going to use this expression. Date diff takes the 3 argument which find the date difference between start date part. Date part could be a month, year, quarter, weeks, start date and end date. I'll pass over here month because I like to find out 13 months before. So my first expression would be month, which is represented as mm. Start date is 0 and end date is my, I'll use a get date function to find the current date, right? Okay, let's see. The only problem with this date diff function, it returns integer signed value, so which may not be useful for our analysis. I use date diff. First argument is my date function. It is mm, date part, and then start date and get date. I'll give an expression as current date. Right? This is my expression. Date diff mm 0 and get date. I'll name it as current date. Okay. Right click and explore data. The way I got the date, the first day of the month, first day of the current month, is not meaningful for me for any kind of analysis. So I'll convert this current date into start date format. So on top of this, I'm going to apply add date function. Sorry. Right click, edit named query. I'll apply date add function. Date add function also takes 3 arguments. First is date part. I need to extract months. Second is your start date and end date. So I'll take, because I like to see 13 months before, I subtract minus 13 and 0. So make sure your parentheses are balanced, 1, 2, 3 open and 1, 2, 3 are balanced. Okay, that's it. So it will give you 13 months before the first day of the given month, 13 months before, which is August 2013. 1st August 2013, right? So I would like my query to be filtered by 1st August 2013 till today. So in order to find today date, I can do a simple thing. I could have write simple get date, but I like to show you this way. This is my, I'll just change the name. It is 13 months before. Months 13 before. Write this expression and add 0 or subtract 0. Right? It's the same thing. Does it matter? It doesn't matter. I'll call this a current month. And I give an alias. That's it. Let's press right click and export data. So this is my current date, first day of the given month, and 13 months before, first day of the given month, 13 months before. Now I don't want to use this as a computed column over here. I wanted to use it for the sake of writing query. So I'll take this expression in order to write the where clause dynamically. I take this expression, both of them, and I use them in a where clause. I write like this: where start date greater than current date and less than equals to system defined date. Greater than current date and less than equals to 30 months before. Make sure you balance is all parentheses, start date in between, current date and 30 months before. First day of the given month, first day of this month, and 30 months before first day of the given month. That's it. Seems some error. Let's quickly check. Start date is greater than equals to and this, and end date is this. Well, so by mistakenly I had added an alias over here which I removed, and where start date is greater than current date and less than equals to 13 months before, first day of the 13 months before. That's it. You write an expression and you test the data, explore data. Well, there is no record which fall in between these two given date. That's fine. So my named query is ready. Now I don't need a promotion. I want my all users should be querying data from this named query. I select this, and finally I'll join with my fact table in order to ensure that all my respective reports point to this active promotion named query rather than actual table. Right click and create join, create relationship, select a primary key and corresponding foreign key, promotion ID. That's it. So this is how you can write any complex expression in your named query itself. You can write any kind of where clause, filter clause. The beauty of adding in a column, before you actually apply the data, actually apply filter, you would be knowing how data is bringing from source system. So that's it for today. Keep watching our more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and in subsequent channel we are going to talk about more advanced example of constructing an SSAS cube. Thanks for joining today's session and have a good day ahead.